Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be dropping out an update on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will be going over some news articles. So if you want to be finding out about what we're currently seeing in the market, don't forget to right away slap up that like button and especially watch this video till the end here. So with that being said guys, let's jump right away in towards the content. So what we can see is that Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame has been coming down over the past few hours on the market over here, and we have been seemingly as well losing some strength on the RSI. We've been seeing a significant amount of momentum getting lost on the market while the price action has been rising a little bit still, and this is really indicating currently that the market is showing basically a lot of weakness. So I'm actually right now quite scared for a breakdown, what could be leading towards way lower targets for the market. Such kind of a breakdown will be getting anticipated on the market if we're going to be breaking this 42.9k towards 43.1k level. This is a very important level because if we're going to look back in towards the past here, we can see this level provided resistance on the market, support, resistance, and another time support. So what we can say about this level is that it has already shown us a lot of significance. So it's going to be an important level to look at, and if we're going to be breaking below it, I expect the market could see massive downside here all the way back towards levels around the $40,000 for Bitcoin. So that's actually pretty bad target if you would ask me. As well, if we're going to look at the 4-hourly time frame, we can see this is an important level of support and resistance like we did discuss. We also saw just a moment ago a 4-hourly bearish crossover on the MACD here, showing that there is even more weakness currently in the chart here. As well, the 4-hour is currently showing us as well decreasing amount of strength in the RSI. But if we're going to be really approach the 4-hourly candles, we could be potentially look for some kind of a bull flag scenario. So let me quickly stop the extension towards the right. But we could be potentially look at the bull flag scenario, what could still lead towards higher targets. And what I will be basically say here, as long as we're holding up towards the green zone here, I will be still bullish on Bitcoin. But as soon as we do break below it, we could be looking for way worse targets. But if we're going to be breaking out to the top side of this bull flag scenario, we could be indeed potentially see even more upside getting generated from off this range, from off this point, of course. So I definitely look forward towards where we're heading towards. And of course, if we're going to look for the bullish price section, we want to be as well break above the 45.1k here, since this has been the level that provided resistance already more than 3 times on this market. So that's going to be also very important. As well, looking at important resistance for the 12-hour time frame and the daily time frame, we can currently see that we are creating a beautiful W scenario. We're creating a beautiful higher low bottom here on the market, but with horizontal resistance on the top side. So this is actually looking quite interesting if you would ask me here, and we're right now just waiting till we are going to see this top side getting broken. And if we do break this 44/45k level with a 12-hour close, or even better saying with a daily candle close, we are definitely going to be looking very good for Bitcoin. And in that case, we're breaking bullish of the W scenario, and that could be potentially lead towards an approximately price gain of 25% towards the upside. So right now, I'm really looking forward towards, whether we could get this breakout, because, if this happens, we could be looking for a lot of bullishness towards the upside for Bitcoin, and in that case, we can definitely say the bottom is in. But already, we do know a W scenario is, of course, a bullish bias pattern, so it is going to be likely that the bottom is already in, because, it's also a reversal pattern. That's what I meant to say. It's a reversal pattern, so that's likely to say the bottom is in right now here. Also, talking about the monthly time frame, it looks also pretty interesting if you would ask me, because after seeing 3 consecutive monthly candle closes in the red here, we finally seen one in towards the green here. Just like we did last time around here, we saw 3 monthly red candles in a row. Afterward, we were closing a green one. We saw significant follow through towards the upside getting created. So right now, we are, of course, potentially seeing a new uptrend getting started on the monthly time frame, and this could be leading towards more bullishness towards this market. And this could be, of course, still show us very positive sides here in the coming weeks, in the coming months ahead of ourselves here. So yeah, we finally closed the green candle. Last time that we did close the green candle after 3 months in the red here, we saw an approximately, let me take the body here because I could take the wick, but let me take the body. We saw an approximately 75% increasement in the market within, of course, 123 days here. So within 4 months afterwards, we saw a 75% increasement. If it's going to be happening again, we will be trading around 68,000 US dollars. So that's looking pretty good here. Then talking about some news here, we do know that Dogecoin is currently already donated 53,000 US dollars towards Ukraine, hence upcoming airdrop, of course. So what we do know here is that right now you can donate in Dogecoin towards Ukraine, and that is absolutely crazy. That's absolutely beautiful to know here. They're doing it because then, of course, Dogecoin is a meme coin. It is a small valuation, so we can also feel like we're donating a little bit here, but still every single small donation is helping them. So yeah, it's very cool that they're accepting Dogecoin as donations, and of course they're also hinting for an upcoming airdrop. Like you can see over here, Dogecoin itself is generally used for small transactions, but we are caring and passionate a bunch, said Billy Marcus, who said he sends funds towards Ukraine. So it's pretty cool that you can right now send your donation in Dogecoin. I've not tried it yet here with sending some Dogecoin towards Ukraine, but I'm definitely going to look forward towards doing it in the coming days ahead of myself here. So that's absolutely amazing to see as well. Quickly talking about the monthly NFT drop that we are currently getting here in terms of interest. So like we do know here, NFTs were a huge thing here, but then the market collapsed here on the, basically on the market. What we can currently see is that monthly NFT buyers are dipping very significantly. And what we can basically say here is that Google Trends also shows a decreasement amount of interest for NFTs here. So I've been already saying it several times before. I think NFTs reminds me of the ICO bubble of 2017, and what we can currently see here is that worldwide NFT search volume fell off literally a cliff here. Reminds me a lot of crypto 2017 bull market. That's what he's saying. But for me, it's more the 2017 ICO bubble, what I'm looking at, because literally the ICO bubble was a bubble where there were a lot of promises being made in these altcoins for what they will become in the future. And this is also exactly the same with NFTs. There are so many NFTs out there because they will be in the metaverse, or they will be this or will be that. And right now they're absolutely falling off a cliff. So please be careful with what NFTs you're buying. But NFTs are definitely falling very significantly. They still made a 2.6 billion sale here in the month of February, but that's significantly down since the month before it was above the 5 billion US dollars. So that's pretty interesting to know. NFTs are taking a pretty big hit right now here. Talking about the funding rates again here on the market, we can currently see that the market is once again starting to get a little bit over leveraged rather than over leveraged with long positions rather than short positions. So actually pretty bad to see here. We're seeing Bitcoin being over leveraged on OKX here, not on Bybit or Binance so far. So that's pretty good to see because Bybit and Binance are the biggest exchanges out there. So yeah. It is definitely showing some weakness right now here in terms of the leverage that's currently is getting used here. So please be a little bit more careful with, of course, the bearish crossovers we're currently seeing here on the 4-hourly time frame, and the funding rates turning to be a little bit more positive, especially on Ethereum, of course. It could be start to get a little bit more bearish for the Bitcoin market in the coming days ahead of ourselves. So yes, I am still being a little bit fearful right now on the market on the exact time of recording. With my trade here, I did took some profits out of it, and I will be starting to take more profits out of it. Actually, if the market is really going to be breaking this support zone, I'm going to probably fully exit my trade here. What support zone I'm currently talking about, we'll be going in towards it in a second. But yeah, I'm looking to fully close my trade anytime soon here, since the market is starting to become a little bit more sketchy. We're seeing more leverage towards the upside coming in towards the market, and it's exactly not what you want to be seeing here. And together with Bitcoin losing some strength on the 1-hour time frame over here, which you can see on the RSI, etc., it definitely shows me that I should be staying a little bit more fearful. And if Bitcoin really breaks the support zone over here, I am most certainly going to be exiting my trades on Ethereum as well here, because that will be showing me that the market is probably going to take an even bigger hit on the market. If we're going to look at Ethereum, and if we're going to look at the 1-hour support zone where I was basically talking about, this shows me this level over here, previous resistance over here, could be providing a very strong bounce on the market. So I'm definitely looking forward towards how that's going to be provide a bounce here. Hopefully could be providing a bounce here, but that's pretty important level to look at right now. And hopefully that level $2,820 towards $2,830 is going to be a very strong level to be trading towards the upside from off. So that's actually looking pretty good if you would ask me here in terms of opening a long position at here. If we're going to look at the 4-hourly time frame for Ethereum, we can clearly see that we have been forming a downward sloping trend line here from the highs. We've been forming a rejection. Again, in the past 4-hourly candles, we've seen already several rejections on the market. Usually the third or fourth touch point is going to be your breaking touch point, but currently we have not broke through it yet here. So still, if Ethereum can be breaking above this level, yeah, then we're going to be looking for extremely bullish price action, but so far we have been not able to do so. So we still have to wait another couple hours probably before we're really going to see a breakthrough of this range here. And if we can really break through of this range here, we're definitely going to be looking for a more stronger uptrend on the Ethereum price action. So far, daily time frame is finding some support here. We can clearly see previous resistance is right now flipping into support, and that's actually pretty good to see here. Previous resistance flipping into support generally shows us a good buy zone for Ethereum on the daily time frame. So yeah, actually this is not all too bad of a buy zone for Ethereum if you would ask me over here. Still, what is going to be important is how Bitcoin will perform, because yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum are just moving with each other. If Bitcoin comes down here, Ethereum will be getting dragged down as well. So in terms of the pure Ethereum chart, it looks like a good buy zone, but if Bitcoin is going to be breaking down here, we're going to definitely come down even further. So this was already it for today's update video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to smash up that like button. And as well, guys, don't forget to, of course, follow me on all my socials here. Link in the description. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want here. On Twitter, we will keep you guys up to date about all the market developments. So, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.